Hello and welcome to my video. This is the Wasena Bridge in Roanoke, Virginia. It goes over the river in the railroad tracks of Wasena Park, and it is being demolished and reconstructed. So the year is 2024 and they are tearing down this bridge. And I just wanted to capture this because this bridge has been in Roanoke, Virginia, I don't know how many years. I mean, I've been living in Roanoke for a long time, so I wish I had the history of this bridge. But anyways, I just wanted to capture some of this footage of the deconstruction of the bridge. The bridge used to come, and this was part of the road here, and that's Main Street right there. Then the road went on down onto Main Street. So they're going to build a brand new bridge, which will take 2 years. So I think the completion of this bridge will be in 2026. And the reason it's going to be complicated and take so long is because there's railroad tracks under the bridge, which they have to be very careful about. So there'll be a detour for 2 years, which is not making the people in Roanoke very happy. It's very inconvenient, but it's better than driving on a bridge that's going to collapse. So you have to deal with that. And so here you have to the Roanoke River Greenway. And I assume this will be, they have detour signs up. This is the Wasena Park, is very famous. Been here for years. And there's a bike route there. Let me come over here. Again, I don't remember when this bridge was built, but my mom, when I was a child, we used to go over this bridge, so it's been here for many, many, many years. I'm not going to say how old I am. So. And there used to be a skateboard park under this bridge right over here. There's a skateboard park for the people who love to ride skates and ride their bikes on ramps. They will rebuild that. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, this is the Wasena Bridge deconstruction in Roanoke, Virginia.